Well, hello everyone. This is Victoria Lowe and I'm back at you with another video, which means another color. But first things first, I want you guys to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell and connect with me on Instagram at Very_Veelo. I am coming at you guys with this beautiful orange citrus color and it goes by the name of Orlando. We are going to be making this beautiful concoction today. First things first, it's obvious that you guys should always wear gloves, but when choosing gloves, make sure that you guys are picking the vinyl gloves because we do not want to give anyone any latex allergy or trigger any latex allergies with our customers, so vinyl gloves are a must. Next, I'm going in with a tablespoon of my world famous lipstick base. That's the Very Veelo Beauty lipstick base. I have a video showing you guys how to make this exact base. If not, you can visit my website and purchase it for yourself. So the first color I'll be going in with is half a teaspoon of the titanium dioxide. It will be acting as a white pigment for us today. The titanium dioxide, you guys, is one of the hardest colors to mix, so that is why I am mixing it into the base first. I am making sure that I get the color saturated with base, changing it from powder to a liquid to creamy to liquid consistency. I often like to think of this white as the canvas. You know how every artist has a canvas. This is going to be your canvas, so that is why we're starting off with the white so that we can see the true color when we add our other pigments. Next, I'll be going in with half of a teaspoon of the yellow number 5 Alum Lake. This is a lake dye, and I'm just going in with it. This is how we are going to achieve our orange first. So as you see, that yellow to that white has brought out a true yellow, more of a pastel yellow. But we are going to build this color. You guys are going to see me build a color. Today is going to look like I use more pigment than usual, but that's only because when you are working with reds and oranges, you are going to need more pigment because you do not want your color to look bland. You want your color to pop, unless bland or sheer is what you're going for. But I'm going for a vibrant orange, so today you're going to witness me building our color. Now I'm going in with half of a teaspoon of the red number 40 Alum Lake. I am going in again with half of the teaspoon of the red 40 lake dye. Now I'm going in with another half teaspoon of the red number 40 lake dye. We are building this color so that it can have a vibrant impact. Right now it will be more on the pastel side, and yes, we needed that white because we needed it to give us a nice color payoff. Trust me, in the end you guys will love it. Now we're going in with half a teaspoon of the yellow number 5 Alum Lake. Alum Lake and lake dye is the same thing, you guys. Right here, you guys, I'm just gonna go in with the first swatch just to check for progress. I'm just gonna remove my glove and swatch it on my arm. And from what I can see, it is a beautiful orange. If you want to stop right here, you absolutely can. But I want more red. So I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of the world famous Isododecane remix. This is going to help us to make our lipstick matte. And I'm going in with a half of a teaspoon of the red 40 Lake and a half of a teaspoon of the yellow number 5 Lake. But not to worry, this is the last pigment that I will be adding. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix really, really well. Right here, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and do the final swatch. And as you can see, this orange is more vibrant than that orange. It is more darker. They're both vibrant. But yes, I got what I'm looking for, and I'm just drawing up my syringe from the front. You can load it from the back as well, whichever is easiest for you. And I'm going and I'm loading my bottle with the product. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and put the stopper in and put in our wand, and just like that, we have created some lipstick. Look at this beautiful orange. I am in love. The color payoff is amazing. The lighting may have thrown it off a little bit, but as you can see, it dried dark like I wanted it to, and I absolutely love it. And I just want to thank you guys so much for all of your support. And as usual, stay blessed.